If you need time, please raise your hand. If you need time, please raise your hand to open the book. If you need time to open the book, please raise your hand. Okay. So who can solve with me question number 6? Question number 6. We need to round this number to the nearest 100,000. We need to round this number to the nearest 100,000. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Number 6. Question number 6. Who can solve it? Who can solve question number 6? No, I need another one. Only Taki. I need another one. Who can solve the question number 6? Yes. Yes. Solve question number 6. We need to round to the nearest 100,000.
Underline the digit of 100,000.
What is the digit in 100,000?
2.
2. That is the first point. We underline it. Then?
See how many digits on the right?
Yes. How many digits on the right?
5 digits.
5 digits. So we replace it with zeros. I'll write 5 zeros. So what is the digit which at the right?
1.
From the strong or from the weak numbers? From the weak numbers, it means there is a change or there is no change?
There's no change.
There is no change, so we leave 2 without any change. Okay, thanks. I need someone, thanks. I need someone to solve with me question number 8. Yusuf. Yusuf Osama. Okay. Question number 8. Number 8, I need number 8.
8?
Yes. Please, there is a TV beside you. Just 1 minute, there is a TV beside you. Is this right? Switch off the AC
No,
and the...
no, because another. My brother also studying at that time.
So try to be away from him, please, because it's make a lot of noise. Okay. Just to focus, both of you can focus. Or you can use the handset. Both of you can use the handset.
Now it's the 6.
Okay.
It is the nearest 59,000.
1,000. Where is the number in 1,000, please?
The number 9.
9. So underline the 9. Then?
Then it will be 5.
At the first I will write zeros. How many zeros that I have to write?
3.
1, 2, 3. Then after that?
59. I mean 95.
95. Without no change. Thanks. Okay. Abdullah Najm. Abdullah Najm, can you solve this one with me? Abdullah Najm. Okay. Solve question number 10. Question number 10. Abdullah Najm, can you solve question number 10?
Yes.
What is the answer?
Underline 3.
Underline 3. Which is 3? The first one?
First one.
Or the first one or the second one? Number 1 or number 2?
Number 2.
Number 2, yes. Okay. Then? Then?
Zeros.
We look at the right. What is the next step? Sorry?
Zeros.
How many zeros?
5.
5 zeros. Okay, so I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then?
And 3.
And 3, look at the right. We have to find 3 from the weak numbers, so the underlying digit will not change. Okay, thanks. So who can solve with me question number 7? I need someone to solve. Anis. Any solve with me question number 7, please.
Okay.
Question number 7.
37,890. 7 is a strong number. 2. It's to
Step by step, please. Step by step. Step by step. What is the first step?
37,900.
Step by step, please. Your answer is right, but I need step by step.
37,890. 8 is a large. 8 is a strong number, so it's near to 900, and it's 900.
Well, I can't hear what you say, but the answer is 37,900. Again, to solve this one, when I ask you, I need to solve with the steps. Please follow the same steps. Please follow the same steps. So the first step that we have, we need to round to the nearest 100. What is the number in 100 place? Which is 8. How many digits at the right? 2 digits. So we have to replace it with 2 zeros. Now the number at the right from the strong numbers. So we just add 1 to 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Then we write 37 without any change. So Muhammad Bashawri, can you solve question number 9? Muhammad Bashawri, can you solve question number 9? Page 39.
What?
39. Page 39. Just came late, I think. Okay. So, can you solve with me question number 9? Question number 9. Who can solve question number 9 with me? Only Taki is raising his hand? I need another one. So, we can choose Ahmed Raza. Ahmed Raza. Ahmed Raza. Ahmed Raza is not here. Ali Othman. Ali Othman. Ali Othman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, question number 9.
40,000.
I need with the steps, please.
Oh. 6. You round 6 to the nearest 10.
We are solving question number 9. We are solving question number 9.
6. The 6 is a strong number, so it has.
What is the first step that we are following in rounding? What is the first step?
What?
What is the first step in rounding?
I'm not sure yet.
Why you are not sure? Yeah. We explained it until now. That is the question number 9. And I'm solving from yesterday, from last session, and today also we solve. What is the problem?
The 6.
My question is, what is the first step in rounding? That's my question.
First, you check the number after the 4.
Which 4?
And
what is the first step?
Teacher, I don't understand what you're saying.
So why you didn't ask me?
I think it's 40,000, and because 5 is a strong number, not a weak number, it becomes 50,000.
I'll explain it now. So Maher, can you solve this? I mean, don't leave Maher now. Can I choose Ahmed Osama? Ammar, can you solve this question with me, Ammar? Ammar. Ammar. Ammar is not responding. Okay. Malik. Malik. Can you solve question number 9? Malik is not here. Sami. 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 Even Sam is not here. Yahya. Yahya.
Yes.
Question number 9, please. We need to round to the nearest 10,000.
I think it's 8,600.
How we round? I need the first step of rounding. Just 1 minute. So, Abdullah Najm, can you solve question number 9, please? Abdullah Najm. Question number 9.
Yes.
Question number 9. Question number 9.
Underline 4.
Underline 4. So the first step in rounding, underline. Underline the digit. We need to round to the nearest 10,000. So we underline 4. Then, what is the next step?
4 zeros.
So we have at the right 4 zeros because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So we write 4 zeros. Then
Add 1 at the 4.
because the number at the right of 4, which is 5 from the strong numbers, so we add 1. So the answer now would be 84 plus 1 equals
85.
85. Thanks. Thanks. So who can solve with me question number 11? Abdul Latif Zubair. Question number 11. Question number 11. We need to round this number to the nearest 100,000. So number 1, I need you to read the number. Number 2, give me the steps to solve.
There's a 0 at the 10,000, so it'll stay as
The question say
7,000.
round to the nearest 100,000.
Okay. But there's a 0 in the 10,000s. So the 700,000, that's it, I think.
The answer is 700,000.
I think.
Okay. The answer is 700,000. That's right. But how we can find it? At the first number 1, you have to underline the digit in 1,000 place, 100,000. The digit in 100,000, which is 7. So 7, look at the right, there is 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 digits, we just replace it with zeros. Then 7, when 7, look at the right, the number at the right, which is 5. 5 from the weak numbers. The weak number, it's mean 7 will not be changed. So we write 7 as it is without any change. That's how we can round to the nearest, to the given place value. For question number 12 and from 12 to 17, we need the question say that I give you the number, then the number after rounding, and we need to tell the place value position to which each of the following was rounded. We round to a given place value. What is this place value that we round? I just give you the number and the number after rounding, then which number that we have to round, which place value position that we round. So if you can solve question number 12, just raise your hand and give me the answer. Even if the answer is right or wrong, but give me how you find it. I just need you to think how you can find this one. From the steps that we explained it at the first part, we need to find the place value from the steps as we explained from the first part. So Amr Fawzi, can you solve with me? Amr Fawzi, number 12. How we can solve number 12, Amr? Amr Fawzi.
456,750
is round to. After rounding, it becomes 460,000. 460,000. So which place value position that we round? Please close the book and look at your screen, please. Just focus to understand. Because even if you give me the right answer, I will give you how you find it. So just I just need to think with you how we find the answer, how we find which place value that we use to round.
This we will gonna write here 10,000.
Why 10,000?
Because here 456, here 4 and 4 the same thing. So 10,000 is the 5 and then this is 6. So this plus is gonna be this is 6.
Your solution is 100% right. Thanks, Amr.
So we will gonna round the 5 here.
Yes.
And the 5 we will gonna do a circle, and this line
like
number
that?
6 is line, and then 6 give to 5, and then the 6 is 0.
Yes. What you say is right, 100%. Again, to explain this one, what are the steps to round? What are the steps to round? Number 1, we underline the digit. Again, if you want to round this number, thanks, Amr. Your solution is right. Again, to round question number 8. Look at question number 8 again. Again, to round. The first step that we need to underline the digit that we need to solve, which is 1,000. So we underline 5. The second step, we count how many digits at the right to replace it with 0. Is that right? So after rounding, we have 3 zeros. What is the number that has 3 zeros? The number that has 3 zeros, which is 1,000. Now, how many digits that we have? How many zeros that we have? We have 5. The number that has 5 zeros, which is, or the first number that we can read, we read as 300,000. So this number is round to the nearest 100,000. Again, for this one, we have 5 zeros. So the number that has 5 zeros, which is 100,000, or we can read this number, the first number after the zeros, which is 2. 2 lies in the 100,000 place. Again, for this one, we have 3 zeros. The first number after the 3 zeros, which is 1. 1 lies in 1,000 place. So again, to solve question number 12, now we have how many zeros? Just look at the answer. Again, for this one, to know the place value position, just look at the answer. What is the answer that we have? We have here 460,000. So we have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. The first number after the zeros, which is 6. 6 lies at the 10,000. So we round at 10,000 place. So if you didn't understand this one, please raise your hands. If you didn't understand it, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand this point, please raise your hand. Okay. Muhammad Bashawi, what is the problem? Again for this one. If the question say, tell the place value position, which is each of the following number was rounded. I give you the number, then I give you the answer after rounding. Then I ask you, to which place value that we round. We need to find to which place value. Again, because all of you, if you raise your hand, please, all of you who are raising their hands and didn't understand, I'm explaining from the beginning. The question say, tell the place value position to which of the following number was rounded. I give you the number before rounding, then I give you the answer after rounding. So how we can find the place value? The first point, just count how many zeros. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So look at the number which after 0. What is the number which after 0? 6. 6 lies at which place value? 10,000. So this number, the first number, which at the left of zeros, which is 10,000. So we round to the nearest 10,000 place. At this point, is there any problem in this point? If you don't understand, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand how we can convert this number, please raise your hand. Okay, so we can choose Ahmed Usama. Can you solve this question, please? Question number 14. Question number 14, Ahmed Usama.
Yes.
What? We have 18,334. It becomes 18,000. So which place value that we round? Which place value position?
Thousands.
2,000, because we have 3 zeros. The first number at the left of zeros, which is 8. 8 lies at which place value? In 1,000 place. Thanks. So we have Maher. Can you solve Maher? Question number 16. Question number 16, Maher.
Yes, I can. But I didn't understand one thing.
What?
That when we have to count all of the zeros.
No, the first zero. Just count the zero until you find any number is not equal to 0. Then stop counting. Suppose that we have a number here like 70, 100, then like that. So I will count until what? I will count 1, 2 until 3. I will stop at 3. Why 3? But we have 0. No, I will stop at the first number which is not equal to 0. The non-zero number. You understand it? Okay.
Yes.
So how we can solve question number 16?
We can solve it on 70.
So 70. The first number here, which is 7. 7 lies at which place value? How we can read the 7 here?
Tens.
At 10th place. So we round to the 10th place. Any problem? You understand it now? Is that clear? Huh? Any problem? Okay. So we can choose another one. Ammar. Question number 13, Ammar. Question number 13, Ammar. Ammar does not respond. Okay. Ilyas Ali.
Yes.
Question number 13, please.
Okay. So, if we first see what is changed. First, we'll see that next to the 2 there used to be a 4, and now the 4 is gone. So, the first thing we know is that in the 10th place there is a 2, and to the right of it there is a 4. The 4 is from the weak spot, so we don't change anything. And so the number that was rounded is in the tens place.
So the answer is?
The answer is tens.
Okay, thanks. So who can solve with me question number 15? Abdul Latif Zubair.
Yes.
Question number 15.
The hundredth place was rounded.
Yes, because we have 2 zeros. After 2 zeros, we have 7. 7 here lies at the 100 place. So we round to the nearest 100. Okay, thanks. So who can solve the next one? Majd. Majd. Question number 17.
I know.
17.
17. I know. And the 6 is bigger and the strongest number, and it's been 200 because 6 is adding 1.
Then?
This means the answer is 100,000.
100,000. I said with an easy way. Just look at the answer that you have. Just look at the answer. Leave this number now. Just look at the answer. How many zeros that you have here? We have 5. Just look at the first number after the 5 zeros. Which is 2? 2 lies in which place? In the 100,000. So round to the nearest 100,000 place. That's all.
I know.
Okay, thanks. So have you finished writing this part? Have you finished? If you finish, please raise your hand. If you finish, please raise your hand, because we need to solve the next page. If you finish, please raise your hand. Okay, most of you finish. So we can go to the next page. Okay. In this question we have here, that's the word record. This word record as 23,697 miles. We can read it as 23,697 miles or 38,137 kilometers. So we need to write the distance in mile to the nearest 10,000. Where is the distance in mile? That is the distance in mile, which is 23,697. We need to round it to the nearest 10,000. So if you know the answer, please raise your hand. Anis, what is the answer for question number 18?
No, so I was just saying that I'm finished.
Okay, solve with me question number 18.
Number 19.
18.
Round
18. 18.
Okay. Okay. How will it put the nearest 10,000? 20,000.
20,000, yes. Thanks. So let's do 20,000. The next one, Taki, can you solve question number 19? We need to round the distance in kilometers to the nearest 1,000. The distance in kilometer, which is 38,137. We need to round to the nearest 1,000.
Yes, teacher.
So round this number to the nearest 1,000.
Teacher.
Yes.
I didn't understand number 12.
Where is number 12? Leave number 12 now. Just solve with me question number 19, then we can go back to number 12. I'm asking you now about question number 19.
38,137.
We need to round to the nearest thousand. Sorry?
Oh, 36, and 135.
Let's round to the nearest thousand. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So we can ask another one. Taha. Taha, can you solve with me question number 19, please? Question number 9.
8,000.
8,000? We need to round the number. So the number will be 8,000. 38,137 will be 8,000. Muhammad Asim. Muhammad Asim. Muhammad Asim.
Yes, sir.
How you wrote your name?
My name is Muhammad Asim, sir.
Muhammad Asim. Beside Muhammad Asim. After Muhammad Asim, what you wrote? Abdul Latif, the answer is right, Abdul Latif. Your answer is right. Muhammad Asim, change your name. Change your name. Abdul Latif told me that the answer would be 38,000. Okay. So the homework now will be page, just 1 minute, page 41. The homework is page 41 from number 1 to 6. From number 1 to 6. I will write now in the Telegram. That's the homework. Math homework. Page 41 from 1 to 6. Okay. That's the homework. So if you have any question, you can send it me in Telegram and I'll give you the response. Okay? Assalamu alaikum.